Role of NGOs in education. Nelson Mandela rightly quoted, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Education provides a rock solid foundation to an individual for his holistic growth and development. It empowers an individual by enlightening with great ideas and knowledge. Whenever we talk about education, the first thing that comes to our mind is school, college, and such education institution. All these institutions are a source of formal education. However, in the last few years, the trend of informal education has been catching up. Informal education is the one that is not limited to a structured curriculum. There are a large number of NGOs, startups, and organizations that are promoting the culture and informal education. In the changing education scenario, different government registered and private NGOs have done some expectationally well done work in satisfying the education objective set by the legislature. NGOs briefly explained. The United Nations Department of Public Information defined the NGOs a non-for-profit voluntary citizens group that is organized on a local, national or international level to address issues in support of the public good. The term NGO was officially brought into action with the passing of the Resolution 288-S by the United Nations Economic and Social Council on 27th February 1950. According to the Global Journal, there are an estimated 10 million non-governmental organizations worldwide, and if NGOs were a country, they would have the fifth largest economy in the world. The expression non-legislative association was made in Article 71 of the Charter of the United Nations. In 1945, NGOs work on the lawsuitness on the system at different levels. NGOs are typically supported by donation, yet some maintain a strategic distance from formal financing. These are why the large controlled by various volunteer NGOs are a very dissimilar gathering of associations taking part in the various sort of exercise like environmental, ecological, social, educational and human rights work, etc. Their aim is to constantly expand the scope of their working, the impact of life of many. They have an influence in reforming a society and bringing about the substantial change, enhancing network and gathering national support forward the cause. Thank you.